the coda of the first movement features a tutti place with the character that has some elements from folklore, and this idea first starts in the soloist's part, the triplets, and then we have a sudden burst, explosion in the whole orchestra with the triplet idea. So I'd like to show you what happens here in the original string. So the writing is idiomatic. We have intervals, open strings. In the cello we even have like the triple stop, and very aggressive in a way, good energy. 1 2 da 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 da, 1 2 da 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 da, and so on. So this goes for a few bars, and then we only have a few more bars left in this coda of the first movement. So what else is happening in the other parts? So we have the trumpets who are also joining on those triplets, and then some of the higher woodwinds also do the same, and then we also have a descending line in the basses. So these last final bars, they bring back the motif from the very opening of the piece. This part that we have here at the soloist is basically the whole material that we have. So what is happening here? I just wrote some pedals for those notes, and they move very quickly to different instruments very abruptly. So this creates a nice dynamic effect in this spot. So, and then this movement ends with the big sound right there at the end. So this was the original version. Let's see what happens, how the wind ensemble arrangement looks like. So let's first take a look at the saxes. What happened to the string parts? So the cello part, I think I divided the cello part in two. So now we have 1 2 do do do, and then the baritone sax do 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 dum, do 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 dum. I think this works especially in quick tempo. This probably is a good solution. So a nice crescendo, and then the alto saxes, they are just complementing each other with the rhythm. I think I had to lower the range a little bit, like 1 octave down or something like that, but I think this works. So and then in the other parts, I don't think I've made any changes, so it's all pretty much the same. These are the woodwinds, and then we have the low woodwinds. The bassoons play the descending half notes. Good. And then in the last 3 bars you can also see what became of the strings. I guess I put some of those pedals in the part for the saxes. Yes, this just a little bit there. Yes, first the bottom 2 parts saxes, and then the upper 2 parts you can see here. Good. So this is what this looks like, and let's take a look again one more time at the beginning of this section, and then we'll take a listen to this. Okay.